Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing, Tony with RVFix? Today we're dealing with a water pump that's not quite sucking up water. It seems to be kind of spurting a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and check the screen on the siphon side of the water pump and see if we have any issues with that. Let's have a look. All right. In this particular model, we've got our water pump hiding underneath this drawer right here. We'll pull that out. I'll grab a light here so we can kind of see what we're doing. All right. So right here, when we're looking at our water pump, we have a screen, a little filter on this side of the pump. A lot of the times, these have an O-ring on them. So if we loosen this guy here, it's possible we could have actually a bad O-ring in this filter housing, or maybe it's got a crack or the plastic's deteriorated and it's cracked or anything like that. You can get individual parts for these, but a whole new screen filter is pretty inexpensive. So we're going to go ahead and just replace the screen filter on this one today. So we do that by loosening the PEX fitting on this side. Okay. Now, when I take a PEX fitting off, I always want to check inside the PEX fitting and check for that rubber gasket in there, because that could be a source of an air leak as well. You can get these little rubber gaskets and replace those pretty easy too. We'll leave a link in the description so you can know where to find those. Okay, so we go ahead and unscrew our suction filter here. Okay, put that off to the side. Right here we have a brand new one, water pump screen. We'll go ahead and leave a link in the description on this one as well. So we'll go ahead and open this up and put it on and see how we did. All right, so we've got our new filter screen. Go ahead and screw that onto the water pump. Make sure it's nice and snug. You're going to do all these without tools. We just want to do hand tight on all of these things. And then we go ahead and tighten up the PEX fitting. Make sure that's hand tight, nice and snug. And then we'll give it a try and see how we did. Check the link in the description below so you can find your filter screen and your PEX cones. And if you find this video helpful, remember, like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.